Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to hard reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A10S. This tutorial should work with any similar devices from any other carriers with the same specs. Now what you need to do, you want to make sure the device is completely turned off, and you want to press the volume up key and the power key at the same time. Press and hold together at the same time. Once the device comes on, just release the power key and keep holding the volume up key. You will get to this recovery screen. So what you want to do now, you want to use the volume down key to navigate to wipe data factory reset. Then press the power key. Choose the bottom option to reset. Press the power key again. Once it's done formatting and wiping everything off the device, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition, then press the power key again to confirm. Choose the yes option, then press the power key. Once that is done, you can reboot or turn off the device, then press the power. Once that is done, everything's going to be wiped off the device and deleted. And basically this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.